Hi, my name is David Reed, illustrator of The Dream Machine. And we wanted to share with you a little teaser of our magical story, The Dream Machine. Ashling has broken her bones 100 times. She was born with Osteogenesis imperfecta, OI, which makes her bones very fragile and brittle. 16-year-old Ashling witnesses her 8-year-old sister, Skyler, fall and break her leg during ski practice. Ashling helps Skyler deal with her pain by using her dream machine. A machine that conjures up stories of imaginary worlds to distract her from pain.